Welcome to the CARL, Computerized Anatomy Resource Lab. This new digital anatomy lab is a strategic investment in Northeast College's learning spaces designed to pique the intellectual curiosity of the next generation of health science students and reflects our institution's commitment to building for the future.
So there are multiple tools available on the table for everyone to use, from virtual dissections to pro-section anatomy, even down to histology, physiology, and there's also a quiz mode that you can use to create anatomy challenges for your students, as well as for them to do recall learning.
Our new digital lab represents how technology and design can effectively facilitate innovation and collaboration, contributing to an exceptional experience for our students.